Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need the Teams app or a modern browser and a work or school account. Sign in now. Once signed in, make sure your microphone and camera are configured in settings so meetings start smoothly. Create a team, pick a channel, and add members so conversations and files are centralized. This reduces email clutter and keeps context. Also, link OneDrive or SharePoint for file storage. These first actions establish permissions and devices, so subsequent steps focus on collaboration, not troubleshooting. Schedule meetings with clear agendas and meeting options so participants know expectations and roles. Once in a meeting, share your screen selectively, choose a window or a PowerPoint to keep attention on the right content. Use channel posts and threaded replies to preserve context, pin critical files, and add tabs like Planner or OneNote to streamline tasks. Record meetings for absent teammates, enable live captions for accessibility, and use breakout rooms for focused group work. These tools improve engagement and follow-up. Finish by organizing channels, setting appropriate permissions, and assigning owners so responsibilities are clear. Once done, move recordings and transcripts to SharePoint, tag files, and update Planner tasks for next steps. Make sure retention and guest access policies match your organization's requirements to avoid data leaks. If something goes wrong, first check your network, confirm the Teams app is up to date, and verify device permissions. If problems persist, restart the app or clear the Teams cache. This resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.